Hey y'all, I'm making the easiest, sweetest springtime dessert for you guys today. Just get a pack of Hawaiian rolls. Go ahead and make a crisscross in each one. Get cheesecake filling, ready to go. Here's a small scoop, go inside each one. And once you get the cheesecake filling inside each Hawaiian roll, we're gonna go in with a second layer. I'm gonna go ahead and add a layer of lemon pie filling. This last one goes there. Then we're going to be taking a box of this lemon supreme cake mix. Make sure all the lemon pie filling is covered. There's a stick and a half of melted butter. And then this goes into a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. My goodness. Doesn't this look great? This is why we split them up in the beginning. It's easier to take them out later. I still see it steaming, so. Oh my God.